this is the solution to problem number 15 from homework 3.3. It's a long division problem where there are some missing terms in the dividend. So we need to think of this as x to the fourth plus 0x cubed plus 3x squared plus 0x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 3. All right, so I'm going to set up the long division. We can't do synthetic division because we're dividing by a quadratic divisor. So I'm going to set up my long division. Inside the house, I'm going to put the dividend. So I'm going to put x to the fourth plus 0x cubed plus 3x squared plus 0x plus 1. And then I'm going to put the divisor on the outside. So x squared minus 2x plus 3. First thing when we do long division is we look at the highest power term and we ask ourselves, how many times does x squared go into x to the fourth? Or in other words, what times x squared equals x to the fourth? That answer is x squared. I'm going to write that over the x squared term. And then we're going to multiply. So we're going to have x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times negative 2x is minus 2x cubed. X squared times 3 is plus 3x squared. And then we need to subtract. Always remember that you're subtracting. X to the fourth minus x to the fourth is 0x fourth. X to the fourth, I'm not going to bother writing that. 0x cubed minus negative 2x cubed is going to become plus 2x cubed. So this is going to be 2x cubed. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0x squared. So I'm not going to bother writing that. And we can bring down, I guess I can write that, 0x squared plus 0x. Next thing we need to ask ourselves is how many times does x squared go into 2x cubed? Or what do you multiply x squared by to get 2x cubed? And that will be 2x. So I'm going to put plus 2x in the quotient on top of the little house. Now we're going to multiply. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times negative 2x is minus 4x squared. 2x times 3 is plus 6x. And then we're going to subtract. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0x cubed. We don't need to write that. 0x squared minus negative 4x squared is going to become positive 4x squared. And 0x minus 6x is minus 6x. We're going to go ahead and bring down the plus 1. We're going to return to ask ourselves, how many times does x squared go into 4x squared? So, or what do you multiply x squared by to get 4x squared? That will be plus 4 into the quotient. Now we're going to divide 4 by each term in the divisor. So 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times negative 2x is minus 8x. 4 times 3 is positive 12. And now we're going to subtract. 4x squared minus 4x squared is 0x squared, which it should be. That's how we chose the term for our quotient. Negative 6x minus negative 8x is like negative 6x plus 8x, which is going to be 2x. 1 minus 12 is negative 11. Then we say, how many times does x squared go into 2x? It doesn't. This term down here is our remainder. We're going to take the remainder and add it on to the quotient divided by the divisor. So x squared minus 2x plus 3. So our answer to this problem is x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus the quantity 2x minus 11 over x squared minus 2x plus 3.